Question number 1. BuzzGraph 2 lines in order to find the solution to a given system of equations. What is the solution?
Nicely done is a solid answer. Question number 2. The cost of a pencil is Rs.2 and one ballpoint pen cost is as 15. Sheila pays Rs.100 for the pencils and pens she purchased. Express this statement in linear equation in two variables. Perfect. 2x plus 15 equal to 100 is the correct choice.
Question number 3. Which of the given coordinate points is the solution of the equation given on graph?
Nice work. You chose and it is correct. Question number 4. What is the solution to this system? What is the solution to this system? Excellent. Infinitely many solutions is a brilliant choice. Question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graph is given.
Smart move x plus y equal to 0 is an accurate answer.
Question number 6. Solve the following system by graphing. What is the solution? Right choice is the best answer. Question number 7. Coordinates of the point where graph of equations 3x to y equal to 4 and x plus y 3 equal to 0 intersect is the dash. Clear logic. Your choice is sound and 100% true. Question number 8. By looking at the structure of the equation, this system has. Well picked. One solution is the correct answer. Question number 9. Give the geometric representations of y9 equal to y3 as an equation in one variable in two variables. Were you able to complete this question? Solid response. Yes is a valid choice. Question number 10. How many solutions does this system of equations have?
Strong choice. Infinitely many solutions is the right answer.
Question number 11. The difference of two numbers is 75 and the ratio of greater number by the smaller number is 6. Find the two numbers and select the correct option.
You got it. Your choice 90 and 15 is right.
Question number 12. In a two-digit number, the units digit is thrice the tens digit. If 18 is added to the number, the digits interchange their place. Find the number.
Smart pick. 13 is the correct choice.
Question number 13. What is the equation of the line in the graph?
Great thinking. Y equal to 1 is the right choice.
Question number 14. The ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages?
Exactly. 2028 makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 15. These two lines intersect at dash. Well reasoned is the correct choice. Question number 16. Equation of the above straight line. Good thinking. Y equal to 1 is the right answer. Question number 17. Find the value of y when x equal to 2. Great job. 8 is the accurate answer. Question number 18. This system has dash solutions. Bravo. Zo is the answer. Question number 19. If x equal to a, y equal to b is the solution of the equations x plus y equal to 5 and 2x third y equal to 4, then the values of a and b are respectively. Correct response. 19.5 6/5 is the most accurate answer. Question number 20. A line plotted on a coordinate graph that divides the graph into two half planes can be dashed or solid. On track. Boundary line is the correct answer. Question number 21. The value of c for which the pair of equations cxy equal to 2 and 6xy equal to 3 will have infinitely many solutions is...
You chose no value, and it is correct.
Question number 22. Draw the graph of the following linear equation in two variables. 6x plus y equal to 10. Were you able to draw it?
Right again. Yes is a valid answer.
Question number 23. Using the given system of linear equations, determine the number of possible solutions by observation.
Sharp thinking. Infinite solutions is the right choice.
Question number 24. Does the following system have one solution, no solutions, or infinite solutions? Y equal to 3d 4x, the I equal to 3d 4x plus 5.
Well done. No solutions is the right choice.
Question number 25. The graph of the linear equation 6 plus their y equal to 18 is a line which meets the y-axis at the point dash.
Excellent choice. Is the right answer?
Question number 26. What is dash the set of two or more linear inequalities involving the same variables x and y?
Good job. Your answer system of linear inequalities works well here.
Question number 27. For what value of k do the equations 3xy plus 8 equal to 0 and 6x chi equal to 16 represent coincident lines?
Valid point. 2 is true.
Question number 28. If x equal to 3 and the equal to 2 is the solution of the equation 4px they equal to 12, then the value of p is...
Correct. 1 per 2 is the right answer.
Question number 29. If the lines given by 3x plus 2 chi equal to 2 and 2x plus 5 plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel, then the value of k is...
You're right. 15.4 is the correct answer.
Question number 30. Equation of the line that is parallel to x-axis and passing through the point dash. Nice selection. Y equal to 4 is the correct and valid answer. Question number 31. If the point lies on the graph of the equation 3a equal to x plus 7, then the value of a is... Well done. 5 per 3 is the right choice.
Question number 32. Systems of equations that have the same slope and different y-intercepts will have dash. Good thinking. No solution is the right answer.
Question number 33. If is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus their I equal to k, then the value of k is dash.
Nice selection. 4 is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 34. If the point lies on the graph of the linear equation 5x plus k equal to 4, value of k equal to...
Clear logic. Your choice 3 is sound and 100% true.
Question number 35. If age of Hema is 4 times the age of Mary, for this choose correct linear equation.
Perfect. X equal to 4 is the correct choice.
Question number 36. If in the equation x plus y equal to 10, the value of y is 6, then the value of x will be...
Strong choice. 2 is the right answer.
Question number 37. Find the value of k. If x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus their I equal to k.
Correct response. 7 is the most accurate answer.
Question number 38. If the cost of a ball pen is as 0.5 less than the half of the cost of an ink pen... You're right. X equal to 5 is the correct answer.
Question number 39. The area of the triangle formed by the line x plus y equal to 6 and the coordinate axis is...
On track. 9 is the correct answer. Question number 40. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, What are the numbers?
Nice work. You chose 45, 27, and it is correct. Question number 41. The pair of equations x equal to a and y equal to b graphically represents lines which are.
Excellent. Intersecting at is a brilliant choice.
Question number 42. Find the points where the graph of equation 2x plus 4y equal to 12 cuts the x-axis at.
Sharp thinking is the right choice.
Question number 43. If x and y are both positive solutions of equation x plus by plus c equal Tazo, always lie in.
Bravo. First quadrant is the answer.
Question number 44. What is the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis in the coordinate plane?
Great job. Origin is the accurate answer.
Question number 45. A line parallel to y-axis and passing through which of the following point?
Right choice is the best answer. Question number 46. The graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 6 cuts the y-axis at the point. You chose, and it is correct. Question number 47. The positive solutions of the equation x plus by plus c equal to 0 always lie in the. Solid response. First quadrant is a valid choice.
Question number 48. How many linear equations in x and y can be satisfied by x equal to 1 and y equal to 2?
Right again. Infinitely many is a valid answer.
Question number 49. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis and 6 units above the origin is.
Smart pick. Y equal to 6 is the correct choice.
Question number 50. Which of the following equation gives a straight line parallel to x-axis?
Correct. Y equal to 3 is the right answer.
Question number 51. Does the system have one, none, or infinite solutions? Y equal to 2x Oliver equal to 2x plus 5.
Good job. Your answer known works well here. Question number 52. Which of the coordinate pairs is a solution for the equation x plus y equal to 3? Well reasoned is the correct choice. Question number 53. How many solutions does a linear equation in 2 variable would have? Exactly. Infinity makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 54. If is the solution of the equation 10x now y equal to 12, then k equal to. Great thinking. 2 is the right choice. Question number 55. The distance between the graphs of the equations y equal to 1 and y equal to 3 is. You got it. Your choice 4 is right.
Question number 56. If a pair of linear equations is consistent, then the lines will be.
Excellent choice. Intersecting or coincident is the right answer. Question number 57. Find the slope of the line that passes through and. Nicely done. 1v5 is a solid answer. Question number 58. Find the value of s if is a solution of x plus 12y equal to 7 is. Well picked. 0.739 is the correct answer. Question number 59. For the equation 5x salva y equal to 35, if y equal to 5, then the value of x is. Smart move 14 is an accurate answer. Question number 60. Tell whether the ordered pair is a solution of y equal to 3x plus 9. Valid point no is true.
Question number 61. Plot the line represented by the equation 4x equal to 8 on a graph.
Valid point. Y equal to 2x4 is true. Question number 62. Which ordered pair is a solution for the equation 2x plus y equal to 5?
Exactly. Makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 63. The equation 2x plus 5y equal to 7 has a unique solution if x, y are. Nice selection. Natural numbers is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 64. The pair of equations x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x 6y plus 1 equal to 0 have.
Bravo. No solution is the answer. Question number 65. The graph of the line y equal to 3 does not pass through the point.
Excellent choice is the right answer.
Question number 66. The point where the line crosses the y-axis is called the...
You chose y-intercept, and it is correct.
Question number 67. Solve the system by multiplication by 3x plus 2y equal to 67x plus y equal to 19.
Perfect is the correct choice.
Question number 68. Which of the following graph is passing through the origin?
On track. Y equal to x is the correct answer.
Question number 69. The graph of linear equation x plus 2y equal to 2 cuts the y-axis at.
Nice work. You chose, and it is correct.
Question number 70. Find the value of a if x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is a solution of 4x plus a equal to.
Well done. A equal to 20 is the right choice.
Question number 71. Identify the coefficient of y in the equation 4x plus 2y equal to 8.
Well reasoned. 2 is the correct choice.
Question number 72. Determine the coefficient of y in the equation 5x2y equal to 10.
Right choice. 5/2 is the best answer.
Question number 73. Calculate the coefficient of x in the equation 6 equal to 9.
Smart move. 1 per 6 is an accurate answer.
Question number 74. What is the type of solution to the system of equations?
Correct. One solution is the right answer.
Question number 75. Two equations in two variables taken together are called.
Excellent. Simultaneous equation is a brilliant choice.
Question number 76. Number of solutions of linear equation in two variable.
Strong choice. Many or infinite is the right answer.
Question number 77. Puja marks are 10 more than the twice the Ashes marks.
Correct response. 20 equal to 10 is the most accurate answer.
Question number 78. The general form of linear equation in two variable is.
You got it? Your choice x plus y plus c equal to is right.
Question number 79. In the equation y equal to mx plus b, the letter b is the dash. Clear logic. Your choice y-intercept is sound and 100% true. Question number 80. Ravi and Rohit together gave Rs 250 to CM Relief Fund.
Great thinking. X plus y equal to 250 is the right choice.
Question number 81. The equations 4x plus 3a equal to 5 and 12x plus 9y equal to 15 represent.
Sharp thinking. Infinite many solution is the right choice.
Question number 82. The geometrical representation of a linear equation.
Solid response. Straight line is a valid choice.
Question number 83. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is a solution of x plus 2y equal toc, then k equal 2.
Nicely done. 5 is a solid answer.
Question number 84. Which of the following is not a solution of x plus 2 equal to of?
You're right, is the correct answer.
Question number 85. How many solutions does the following system have?
Smart pick. Infinitely many is the correct choice. Question number 86. Standard of a linear equation in two variables is.
Great job. X plus y plus c equal to is the accurate answer.
Question number 87 is a solution of phi psi equal toc. Find value of k. Good thinking. 1 is the right answer.
Question number 88. The graph of line x equal to 3 passes through the point.
Well picked is the correct answer. Question number 89. If is the solution of 5x plus 37 equal to Georgian k equal 2? Good job. Your answer 2 to 13 works well here.
Question number 90. The graph of 6x there equal to 12 intersecting the y-axis at.
Right again is a valid answer. Question number 91. If is the solution of 5x to y plus 3 equal to, then b equal to. Good job. Your answer 3 by 5 works well here.
Question number 92. Rupa's father age is 25 years when she was born.
You chose lie equal to 25 and it is correct. Question number 93. How many lines can we draw through one point? Excellent choice. Infinite is the right answer. Question number 94. A line parallel to x-axis and passing through.
Correct is the right answer.
Question number 95. What is the slope of the equation? Y equal to 3x plus 4. You're right. 3 is the correct answer. Question number 96. The graph of x equal to 2 is a line parallel to the. Correct response. Y-axis is the most accurate answer. Question number 97. Any point on the line x equal to y is of the form. Well reasoned is the correct choice. Question number 98. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of 2x plus 3 equal to then k equal to. Nicely done. 7 is the solid answer. Question number 99 is the solution for 3x equal to c 21 then a equal to. Clear logic. Your choice 3 is sound and 100% true. Question number 100. To draw graph of 4x plus phi y equal to 19. Find y when x equal to 1. Bravo. 3 is the answer. Question number 101. Which of these points lie on quadrant IA? Well picked is the correct answer. Question number 102. Solution of the equation 3x5 equal to 2x plus with. Right choice. 6 is the best answer. Question number 103. Solve by elimination. 3x plus ny equal to 23, 3x ny equal to 17. Exactly. No solution makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 104. Solve by elimination. 9x 4y equal to 2, 5x plus 4y equal to or.
Good thinking is the right answer.
Question number 105. Solve by elimination. 4x plus 9y equal to 28, 4xy equal to 28. Valid point is true. Question number 106. Any point on the x-axis is of the form. You got it. Your choice is right. Question number 107. The solution of equation x2y equal to 4 is. Great job is the accurate answer. Question number 108. The pair of equations x equal to 0 and x equal to phi has. Nice work. You chose 2 solution and it is correct. Question number 109. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Sharp thinking. Y equal to k is the right choice. Question number 110. Solve by elimination. 4x plus 4y equal to 4, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. on track is the correct answer.
Question number 111. Solve by elimination 7x plus y equal to 9, 3x, y equal to 5.
Smart move is an accurate answer. Question number 112. On which quadrant does lie?
Right again. Ivy is a valid answer. Question number 113. The linear equation 3x5 equal to 15 has?
Smart pick. Infinitely many solutions is the correct choice. Question number 114. Solution of the equation 3x plus 2 equal to x8. Great thinking. 2 is the right choice.
Question number 115. Is a solution of x plus y equal to 6?
Strong choice. No is the right answer.
Question number 116. What does m represent in y equal to x plus b?
Solid response. Slope is a valid choice.
Question number 117. The linear equation 3x equal to 10 has? Nice selection. Infinitely many solutions is the correct and valid answer. Question number 118. Is x equal to 3 vertical or horizontal?
Perfect. Vertical is the correct choice.
Question number 119. The equation y equal to 3x plus 5 has dash.
Excellent. Infinitely many solutions is a brilliant choice.
Question number 120. If 2x plus 4 equal to x5, then x equal to dash.
Well done. 9 is the right choice.
Question number 121. Point lies on the line.
Nice selection. X plus 20y equal to 6 is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 122. In a given equation 3x plus 4 10 equal to?
Bravo! A equal to 3, B equal to 4, and C equal to 10 is the answer.
Question number 123. Standard form of 2x plus 6 equal to phi is?
Correct response. Plus, I equal to 0 is the most accurate answer.
Question number 124. Variables in x plus y plus c equal to r.
Well reasoned. XY is the correct choice.
Question number 125. The graph of x equal to 3 is a line?
On track. Parallel to y-axis is the correct answer.
Question number 126. What is a linear equation?
Correct. Equation with degree 1 is the right answer.
Question number 127. Y equal to 2x plus 5 and y equal to 2x3.
Perfect. No solution is the correct choice.
Question number 128. 6x plus y equal to plus 5 2x plus y equal to 5.
Well done. Is the right choice.
Question number 129. Equations of x-axis is?
Sharp thinking. Y equal to is the right choice.
Question number 130. Y equal to 3x plus L and 50x plus y equal to 21.
You're right is the correct answer.
Question number 131. 3x plus 10 equal to 0 will have.
Good job. Your answer unique solution works well here.
Question number 132. 3x plus y equal to 1 equal to 4x plus 1.
Nice work. You chose and it is correct.
Question number 133. 6x plus y equal to 13x plus y equal to 4.
Exactly. Makes sense and it is right choice.
Question number 134. X equal to a dax, i.e. equal to p.
Clear logic. Your choice is sound and 100% true.
Question number 135. Equation of y-axis.
Excellent. X equal to yo is a brilliant choice.
Question number 136. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? right choice. Contact Narayan Chengda on Facebook is the best answer